How to start right? Starting out can be quite a challenge, but it should be easy. Always remember the basics of eating more whole carbohydrates by avoiding foods like chocolates, ice creams, chips, sodas, cookies, cakes, and many others. These types of foods contain high amounts of sugar, cholesterol, salt, and other unwanted substances. These foods are also called empty calories since they do not provide nutrients other than calories. Choose to drink fresh fruit juice instead of sodas, as they add approximately 500 calories more to your diet. With that in mind, plan your meal correctly by adding more of the good kinds of food. You can have a high-fiber cereal with low-fat milk at breakfast, and then lunch would be a grilled turkey sandwich over whole wheat bread and a vegetable salad. Dinner can be baked fish and vegetables. These are just a few of the simple dishes you can make, and they are even easier to prepare. Just keep in mind that every meal should contain a variety of foods, such as fruits, lean proteins, vegetables, and high-fiber carbohydrates. The blood type principles of weight loss. A lot of people are now understanding the importance of having a healthy body. This is why there is a surge in the health and fitness industry. A lot more people are now going to the gym to try different forms of exercise to get in shape. People are also trying different kinds of diets, from Atkins to Paleo to South Beach to Weight Watchers. All of these are effective, though some more than others. But did you know that there's a diet that is designed for your blood type? If you have tried almost all of the famous diet trends available and have not seen a lot of results, then this might be the perfect one for you. This diet was designed by Dr. Peter D'Amato and is called the blood group diet. This new diet is gaining more popularity because a lot of the big names in Hollywood say it's the reason for their amazing bodies. Actors like Courtney Cox and Cheryl Cole swear by it. So what exactly is the blood group diet and how does it work? It is believed that each blood group reacts differently to each food. So if you follow the diet designed for you, the chances of losing weight will be higher because your body will absorb food more efficiently. Let's look at the diet closely. If you have blood type O, which is the most common blood type in humans, then the diet should be similar to paleo, where it is encouraged to eat more like hunter-gatherer style. This means eating food that was available to our ancestors before agriculture growth and advancement in technology happened. High protein and low in carbohydrates is the way to go. Along with this diet, blood type O people should also do a lot of high-intensity cardio like running to complement the diet. Blood type A diet is almost the opposite of the diet suggested to blood type O, meaning their bodies are much more accepting to the more modern food. A vegan diet is encouraged, so this means lots of vegetables and carbohydrates like rice, pasta, and cereals. However, meat and dairy products such as milk, cheese, or butter should be avoided. Meat should be taken in very little quantity. Blood type A diet is best done with slow and relaxing exercise such as yoga or Pilates. Blood type AB can be defined as the most lenient diet. This rare blood type works well with almost every food, but with moderation. They have a good immune system, which means they can handle dairy, meat, and carbs well. However, vegetables are the most encouraged food to eat. The rest should be eaten in little portions. When it comes to exercises, blood type AB should combine both calming and high-intensity workouts. Blood type B has the least restrictions. Vegetables, fruits, meat, dairy, seafood, rice, these can all be taken as long as it's part of a balanced diet and not taken in big quantities. The only food to avoid are processed foods such as the ones that can be bought in a can, luncheon meat, hot dog, ham, etc. Any activity that involves exercising the brain such as tennis, golf, hiking is the best form of exercise for this blood type. The science of weight loss. Weight loss can sometimes be tiring. After thousands of dollars spent on diet programs with all efforts to cut down calories, it seems that you are not losing weight as you expect it. Of course, you will then have to check with your doctor or nutritionist to see why you are not losing that much weight, and you will end up with the look that strikes the paranoia out of you. These are just few of the challenges you may encounter when you are into weight loss programs. It can get the best out of you depending on how you take all the challenges up. Well, there is a better way to actually achieve weight loss with 3 easy reminders. The science. 1. There is such a thing called real carbohydrates. The first thing you need to do is to identify your carbohydrate intake. All of us know that carbohydrates are the main source of energy, as carbs are readily converted to glucose, the main substance that is used for energy production. All the excess carbohydrates are turned into fat when they aren't used as energy. Now, what you need to remember is that you need to consume real carbohydrates by choosing foods that are not processed. Replace the processed carbohydrates with natural ones like vegetables and fruits in every meal. Momentarily avoid other carbohydrates like chips, breads, pasta, fast food meals and others. 2. Have you ever heard of high biological proteins? Choose them among others. High biological proteins are what you can think of as complete proteins. They are called such because they contain complete amino acids to provide efficient functions in terms of repairing body tissues and supplying proteins to every muscle in your body. Amino acids work like a team. When one is missing, they cannot function well. So it is good to invest in high biological proteins by eating natural and grass-fed meats and produce. This includes turkey, beef, chicken, lamb, pork and other animal proteins. 3. There are healthy fats, of course. If you think that fats are the only culprits of weight gain, you are definitely wrong. Your body also needs fats in order to function well, as these substances contribute to temperature control, metabolism regulation and lubrication of vein and arteries. So, have a moderate intake of healthy fats, including avocados, coconut oil, olive oil, nuts, olives, seeds and butter. Just remember to consume about 2 to 3 teaspoons of these fats at every meal. These are the 3 easy steps that you can always remember for you to have a significant weight loss. Start on these rules and you are off to a good start. It is good to remember that metabolism is as complex as our brain, so the notion of calorie counting does not really apply to all.